Right guys, hello. So, I've seen some of your thumbnails and they're not great. So here's a tutorial. I'm doing a thumbnail tutorial. Let's go. Right, first of all, you need to resize the canvas to 1280 by 720. I don't know why I'm speaking Aussie, but just deal with it. Right, now, okay, that's too big on OBS now. Like, get down. So, also, it's not recording like all the toolbars and stuff because I made it so it didn't because it looked weird. Right, this probably looks worse, but I will. Yeah, you can see all that. It's fine. Right, what do we do? I forgot how to make thumbnail. Get like a Fortnite background. I'm gonna steal one from Google. What do? Cinematics. Right, search Fortnite cinematics. And get like the first one you see. It doesn't have to fully load in because my internet isn't good enough. Copy image, great. Let's just steal some images here. I'm actually gonna zoom out a bit. You might be able to see it better. What do we need? Let's make this blue because blue's good, right? I don't know. Let's press. You need to put this layer on overlay. Yeet. God. What? Let's see. Let's get some phase logos. What's another massive Fortnite clan? I don't know. Now you want to put that there, and then what you want to do? You want to change the hue so it's blue. Getting it? Or I'm rhyming too much. Right. Well, I don't care. Let's go. Optic Gaming. They have logos, right? Let's see. What are you? Copy image. Let's go down here. I'm gonna press U. Keep canvas. Oh, Optic is a big boy. Right, Optic. Let's make you smaller than Phase because you're not as good as Phase. Although at least you. Oh, okay then. I broke you. At least you don't recruit 6-year-olds. What is up with this? Apparently I don't know how to edit. Right. Keep canvas size. Oh, okay, I fixed it. Great, I am a genius. What are you saying? So there we go, guys. Just cutted out some of that boring stuff. So we got these on the side. What's this video gonna be? Let's make it like. Yeah. So here we go. It's pretty generic video. You know, the kind of ones I would make. Let's see what else is a good clan. Oh wait. What? Just search Fortnite clans. Oh yeah, Team Liquid is sick. Okay, apparently I don't know how to type, so just deal with that for a second. What one's a good logo? Not that one. Copy the image. Yeah. So guys, this is how you steal images from online websites. Get used to it because it's a skill everyone needs. Right. So we want like different colours of blue, I think. I don't know. I said I think, and I don't think very well. So yeah. Object. Let's hit that drop shadow. There we go. Thick boy. Why doesn't it's on a separate? Okay, I have. Make sure when you do stuff, it's on a separate layer because that's how you know you are a good YouTuber and graphic designer. Yeah, I would know because I've made what? How much have I made? £2. Bit more than that, but oh well. Let's go with that. What do I press now? I forgot. That one. I don't know why I'm teaching you guys how to make thumbnails. I didn't even know how to do it myself. So yeah, you press that button, and then you do these and stuff. Probably only twice because otherwise you look weird. Let's see what's a good colour. Let's yoink that and maybe that. Then we want to go to the text, and there's this very cool thing called a gradient, and you put a gradient on the text. You know, this is big brain moments right here. So press that button and do it the other way. You know, see these 10 out of 10, you know, plays, 10 out of 10 plays. Yeah, go with that one. Press these buttons, give it a drop shadow. Also, I can tell my commentary right now, it's actually amazing, isn't it? This video is I'm not even going to put this video out today, because I'm already made a video that will hopefully get 1,000 views today. Did another sequel to my Gaming Clan series. So yeah, kind of just like, I don't know what you'd call it. What would you call that when you just getting views off something that you've already had the views off? I don't know if there's an actual word for that. Being a bad YouTuber, maybe? I don't know. Right, let's see. Because I've done that like 3 times. Is that? I think that's the 3rd. See, I've even forgotten. Right, what do? Bruh. Right. Get the lines. Press that button. You can't even see what buttons I'm pressing, so I don't know why I'm saying press that button. So what can you do? You don't put this on overlay because otherwise it looks weird. Do it on normal, but then go down. And then you can duplicate that and go down to here. And stretch that boy. Right, and then there we go. You've got a thumbnail, but not yet. See, because we don't have bad thumbnails like this. We have to do something called 10 out of 10 effects games. I don't know what that means, but yeah, just do it. So put all these layers together. That's what I'm doing now. You can't see though. Then do this. You want to shrink this down, center it. Now you see these sides are thicker than the others. You don't want mixed thickness, so then do it like that. And right, I've forgotten how to do this. I think we make a white layer in between it, then put it on overlay, and maybe object, drop shadow, put that down a bit. There you go. That works. Then you have like kind of this border thing, and that works. I'll probably actually use this for a video. That's very sad. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully your thumbnails will be better now. So yeah, like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Let's get to 2,000 subs by the end of the year. Probably not going to happen, but let's do it anyway. Peace out. Wrong button.